Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put crypto on your Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your device is charged and ready for initial setup. You will need a computer or smartphone with internet access to download the Ledger Live application. This application acts as your interface for managing your crypto assets and device settings. We will walk through each step to ensure a smooth and secure transfer process. To begin, power on your Ledger Nano X and follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new device. This includes choosing a PIN code and carefully writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application from the official website. Once installed, connect your Nano X to your computer or phone using the provided USB-C cable and follow the prompts to verify. A crucial agreement, established by papal decree, formally divided the newly explored world between Portugal and Spain. This imaginary line, drawn across the Atlantic Ocean, granted Portugal exclusive rights to lands east of it, primarily Brazil and parts of Africa and Asia. Spain, conversely, claimed territories to the west, encompassing most of the Americas. This division profoundly influenced their separate colonial empires and global ambitions, further solidifying their distinct national trajectories. To receive crypto, select the desired account in Ledger Live and click the Receive button. Your Ledger Nano X will then display a receiving address. It is crucial to always verify that the address shown on your device screen exactly matches the one in Ledger Live. Once confirmed, copy this address and paste it into the withdrawal field of your exchange or sending wallet. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device to complete the transfer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.